All right, guys, so we're going to jump straight into this SAR SOCOM review. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you think I could do better. But without further ado, let's get into it.
Guys, we are doing a quick unboxing and review of the SAR SOCOM, so let's get right into it. Baby, I never knew green could look so good. So straight off, guys, if you don't have any information about the SAR SOCOM, here's just a quick rundown. It is a 9mm striker fired. Comes with a 5.2 inch barrel that is threaded, obviously, as you can see. Amazingly great that they already had that already as a feature. It has serrated cooling channels, a high undercut under the trigger guard, and it has a flat face trigger, if you didn't already know. Of course, it has a pick and tenny rail here, optics cut at the top, and obviously with this threaded barrel, it's already suppressor ready. So the great thing about it being suppressor ready is that it also has some high sights. These sights are already high and they're ready to rock and roll. The next thing about these sights is that these sights also can be used to see in the dark. So let's actually see if I could get that on camera here. That's so awesome that you could actually see the sights there in the dark. Anyway, it also has an extended or flared mag well. So where it comes to inserting those mags, you have virtually no problem whatsoever. I mean, literally no problem. As long as you're in that approximate zone, you're gonna get into the mag well very nicely, which I think is an awesome touch that they added. Again, already just on this quick little look at it so far, SAR put so many great features into it, and that's why they said the SOCOM is supposed to be ready, you know, pretty much out the box in a way for you to utilize if you want to. In addition, they also have back straps that are adjustable, so whatever you want to put there. And as I mentioned earlier with this flat face trigger, actually, you know what? Let's go into this flat face trigger and actually see what the poundage is. It's about probably 4.5 pounds. Let's see what the reset is. Okay, it's not great, but it's not bad. Obviously this model is Special Forces green, and it comes standard with a 21 magazine and a 17 magazine. Interesting fact as well is the SAR9 is now the official duty weapon of the Galveston Police Department in Texas, and it's obviously the Turkish military weapon that is a standard for them. It is not ambidextrous on both sides, unfortunately, so you only have one area to release that mag, but hey man, you can make it work. Whatever you want to do. It comes in MSRP, a price point of $519. I got it probably at, I think it was like $420, so I got a pretty good steal on it. Anyway, long story short, let's just go and do a quick breakdown of it to see inside. All you're gonna do is just pull down this little slide tab. Actually, let's cock it first. So you're gonna pull down this little slide tab, and you see the gun already shifted forward, and you start pushing forward. And as you're pushing forward, you could let go of this at this point. Just pull the trigger, and there you go. It comes apart. Pretty much every pistol is the same, but yeah, that's as simple as it is for the SAR9 to come apart. This guide rod or recoil, the recoil spring and guide rod, obviously the barrel's there. Yeah, this is not lubed. I like to lube my guns up really well. This is definitely not lubed. Almost, you can tell it's yeah, this needs to get lubed. But anyway, long story short, this is the internals. Pretty straightforward. Nothing crazy going on here, just your standard pistol internals. Nothing overly complicated. The guide rod is metal, so that's great, because unlike the TX22, my guide rod in that is plastic. I'll tell you right now, weight wise, this thing feels pretty nice. The weight is nothing too like heavy to carry. Pistol itself feels really well made, and so the actual fact weight of this pistol is 1.87 pounds, which is 29.9 or something like that ounces, whatever. And so putting this back together, guys, pretty simple. So you have 2 notches right there on the lower, and you're pretty much just gonna line up the upper with that part on the lower, and you're just gonna slide back, cock it back. There you go, you're done. So we're just gonna do a quick functions check. So it shoots, resets, good, shoots. All right, nice, cool. And so one last thing we're gonna do for the SAR SOCOM, man, it looks so nice with this 21 mag in there. It looks so great. Make sure it locks with the empty magazine, and it does. It locks to the rear with the empty magazine, so that's beautiful. And obviously it sends forward, no problem. And last thing we're gonna do is just lock it with no magazine. Make sure it locks. Great, locks, sends forward, no problem. So inside of the box, again, we have a lock. It's great. They have your stopper as well. They have your good little SAR manual. And then we have a bag of mysteries and wonders. So let's see what's in there. Okay, so you have an extra plate for the optics. I'm guessing this is if you're using a different footprint. Looks RMR, to be honest, but could be wrong about that. But it does have a footprint already. Again, this optics cut, being cut out, it's nice because you can just go ahead and screw this out and put an optics right in there, no problem. Let's see what else is in the bag. So we have a Fox suppressor, and in the suppressor there's tools to clean the barrel. It's looking like, it's tools to clean the barrel, so that's in there. It also comes with the threaded barrel unscrewer, so obviously this is all the way on, and if I want to tighten it, it's tight, it's not going anywhere. If I want to loosen it, put it on there, it's loose, and I could take it off if I wanted to. Oh, that's actually nice. We have a punch, so we can go ahead and take out anything we need with this punch. And then you also have some hex Allen keys in there, and then you have some other back straps to switch it out with, and some side straps for the back strap. All in all, guys, I'm telling you right now, this gun is really nice. I'm really happy with the purchase.
And that right there is a wrap, you guys. That is the SAR9 SOCOM unboxing. Straight what you get in the box. Tell me what you like about the gun. Tell me what you don't like about the gun. Tell me what you think I could have did better to give you a better review or give you more in-depth analysis for the gun. Now, I don't essentially know how the gun shoots yet until I take it out to the range, and I'll be doing a video on that when I do that. But until then, guys, make sure that you are giving a help a brother out special. You gotta like, you gotta comment, you gotta subscribe, and you gotta share this with everybody that you know, so we can continue to help grow the channel. And until then, guys, remember, we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment over here. So you either catching the law or lead.